Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam and I welcome you all to this channel. Today in this video, we will talk about how we can improve our productivity by setting up a dual monitor system. Sometimes we feel that this is very difficult to do it. People who never have seen the dual monitor setup, sometimes they feel magic when you take your window from one monitor to another monitor. They found it very fascinating, but apart from just fascination, it actually gives you dual space where you can actually perform parallel tasks, or maybe sometime you want to take some inspiration from one document, and with the help of that document you can edit the another document in another screen. Or maybe you would like to upgrade your productivity. For example, you can improve your whole workflow, let's say in video editing, Photoshop, you name it. If you have multiple display, then for sure you can improve your productivity, since you have much more space to utilize. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's see how we can set it up. So before actually we start, show you how we can actually set it up, let me quickly tell you some of prerequisite that is needed for setting up this dual monitor setup. You do not need to worry too much, because if you already have got another monitor, then you will get several kind of wires. For example, this is HDMI. So generally whenever we buy monitor, we got this HDMI cable, or else you may also get the display port. So for that I just need to plug it out. Let me quickly show you.
A few moments later.
Or else the another famous connector which is considered superior even than HDMI is this, which is known as display port. So it looks like this. So you may require these cables. And apart from these cables, one very important thing that you need to keep in your mind is the kind of connector or port available in your system. Let me quickly show you. So this is a CPU. I will also give you an example of laptop as well, so stay tuned. Here we can see it have got one VGA port, and then two DP, and do not come with HDMI. Maybe in your case the things may vary, depends on the graphic card that you are using in your system, or even let's say the system do not have any graphic card, so the system also have inbuilt display ports. So you need to check them out and see what kind of port the system comes with. And after that, what you require to do is nothing but simply connect these cables to your monitor from one end, and another end you need to connect to your system. So just have a look on the kind of port that your system have, and then connect it up like this. And after that you just need to turn on your system, and the remaining setting I will show you inside your system how you can further customize it. So simply connect these ports with the cable, one end inside your computer, another end you can connect to your monitor, and then you need to select the source. Okay, so generally the monitors have settings that can be toggled by the buttons that you will find it, and from there you need to select the correct source. Let's say for example, if you are using these DP or display port, then you need to select the source from your monitor as display port. If you are using HDMI, so generally the monitors comes with these two ports, which is very common nowadays. So you need to choose it from your input source. Sometimes this also happens that your monitor comes with multiple HDMI or multiple DP ports. So sometimes it is also needed that you need to choose from those multiple display ports or multiple HDMI. Now before we actually jump into furthermore customization inside our system, let me quickly show you what happened in case of laptop. We have got this Dell laptop, and it actually comes with USB Type-C, which is also capable of projecting to external display. So here what I'm doing is I am using these kind of adapters. You can also use USB hub that I have created a dedicated video on hub. So you can use these kind of connectors or adapters. So one side here we have got this HDMI, another side is type C. So with the help of this connector, I generally connect my laptop to these two monitors. For that, I need to show you what customization we need to do inside our system. For that, let's go inside our system. Okay, now we are at our computer screen. So if you have correctly connected your port, your computer should able to detect all the monitors. And I hope that you are already can see both the monitor together, and if you simply drag one window from one monitor to another, you should able to do that just like this. So I can drag one screen from one monitor to another without any hassle. Now let's talk about how we can further customize it based on our need. For that, you need to simply press menu button and then you can go to settings. In settings, we need to select system, and from here we need to click on display. Here you will see all your display connected to your system. If you click on multiple display, here you will find certain settings or customization, like which display you want to make your main display. So you just need to select your display and then you can click on make this as your main display. In this way guys, we can make any display our main display. Now let me again choose the bigger display as my main display. So what actually it will do is you can see here at bottom right corner, all my notification icon now exist on display number 2. Similarly, here you will find furthermore customization. For example, you can adjust your display resolution. Let's say the display sequence is not correct, then from here you can correct your display sequence such that you can see the seamless mouse movement and you have placed all these display correctly. In this way guys, we can also fix the issue of placing display in correct side. There is one more setting which you will not find it here. For that, you simply need to press Windows button and P, which is nothing but project, and then from here you can choose how you want to utilize your display. Let's say you want to just duplicate the display, then you can go and press duplicate. So what this duplicate will do is it will simply make both the display at same. So you may able to see both the display showing the same thing. Let me press again Windows plus P and make it extend. Apart from that, let's just go back to settings. And here you may find furthermore customization. For example, advanced display. From there you can set up your display refresh rate. For example, my display 2 support actually a refresh rate up to 165 Hz, but with normal HDMI it goes up to 144 Hz. So I can actually improve my refresh rate by going to advanced display. So in this way guys, we can perform quick setting by selecting the monitor, and from here we can make changes to these settings, and then from here we can customize these settings by changing these values. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content. And if you have got any kind of doubts or question in your mind regarding any kind of adapters, connectors, wires or USB hub, please do let us know in comment down below and I will try to answer ASAP. Till then, you take care and bye bye.